In the quality control, inspections, and auditing business, what are the most common AQL levels?
Okay, so there are three AQL levels. There's the critical levels, the major AQL levels, and the minor AQL levels.
Major defects and minor defects.
Right.
And critical defects.
That's exactly right. Okay. So major defects, minor defects, critical defects. So for the critical defects, it would be 0 because we don't want any critical defects. That's going to be like something that could injure the consumer or something like that. So we wouldn't accept any of those. For the major defects, these are things that are going to make the item unsaleable. So for this, the most common level is 2.5. And then for the minor defects, these are things that are deviations from your specification, okay? However, they don't make the item unsaleable. And this would be 4.0.
Hi, my name is Chris. Do you need help with quality control in Vietnam? Or perhaps you just want to talk to a person that can be trusted and unbiased? I've got 14 years of experience visiting dozens of Vietnamese factories and would be happy to help. Contact me via my website, vietnamfactorytours.com. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day. And remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.